Hello friends, thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you're new, then welcome. This is part 2 of my vanilla cake recipe, where I'll be showing you how to make my vegan vanilla buttercream. If you want to learn how to make the cake, check out part 1, linked down below in the description and also on the upper right side of the video. First, let the vegan butter come to room temperature. Plan ahead and leave it out of the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. It's ready if you can dent it when you poke it. Next, cream the vegan butter with a paddle attachment for a few minutes. You can use a stand mixer, like I am, or a hand mixer as well. Once the butter is smooth, scrape the sides of the bowl and add the salt and vanilla extract. Paddle it again for about 1 more minute. Scrape the sides of the bowl again, then add in the powdered sugar in 2 to 3 parts. I did it in 2 parts. And then scrape the sides between additions, and mix on medium-high speed for another 5 minutes. So there's a few possibilities when it comes to adding the non-dairy milk. You may not need it at all, you may use only a little of it, or you may use all of it. I don't recommend using more than what the recipe calls for, however. For decorating and piping, you want a stiffer buttercream, so use less of the non-dairy milk, or almost none at all. If you want to use the buttercream for crumb coating and frosting the cake, I recommend using more of the non-dairy milk, so that the finished result is light, airy, and spreads and smooths easily. While some vegan buttercream recipes use a mix of shortening and butter, mine is 100% vegan butter. I like to avoid palm oil, so I don't use shortening. However, it's hard to find vegan butter sticks that don't have palm oil, so it's okay if that's all you can find. Another thing, since this recipe is all vegan butter, I don't recommend using this recipe if you live in a really hot climate. I absolutely avoid this recipe during the summer here in Las Vegas. For the 4-layer cake I'm decorating, I doubled my vanilla cake recipe and doubled the buttercream recipe. I chose to make a naked cake, filled with homemade blueberry jam, and finished it with some leftover berries I had in the fridge. So how did you finish your cake? I would love to hear about it in the comments below. I'm sure it turned out really lovely. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to check out part 1 if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the next one.